hundreds and hundreds of churches here. From here I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What was funny there to laugh?
समझ रहे हैं ना आप?
लेकिन सुन के अच्छा लगा.
It genuinely feels like someone from the PM's office gave him this emergency survival tip. Sir, if you don't understand what's happening, just laugh confidently. And to be fair, he follows it with full military discipline. Everywhere, every time.
You see what you want? Look at the color.
Nowadays, you are active on Twitter.
I appreciate that. Let's do a hand.
Savannah. Step backs looking otherwise, without you, one cannot do. What? We have lucky.
You don't have any alcohol in your glass. You must do it with your left hand. You think I'm kidding? I'm not.
From Nehru, Indira, Rajiv, Vajpayee, Manmohan to this. India once sent leaders who walked into world summits with files, facts, and foreign policy. Now, a man walks with melody.
Prime Minister Modi brought us a gift, a very, very good toffee.
Melody.
And just like that, the international laughter tour ended. 5 nations completed: UAE, Netherlands, Sweden, Norway, Italy. Mission, hugging, laughing, and melody distribution successful. Our man is back home.
Why so serious?
Critics jump on this instantly. Look at his face. The smile is gone. Where did the laughter go? Why does he lose his charm the moment he returns to India? Let us be fair for a second. Let us extend some human empathy. Criticizing is easy, my friends. Living by it is hard. Think about it. You just spent 5 days gliding through the crisp Nordic winds of Oslo, the breezy canals of the Netherlands, the twilight romance of Italy, and the ultra-luxury climate-controlled palaces of the UAE. For a week, your only job was to wear designer clothes, smile at ancient architecture, and act like a 1 rupee melody was a geopolitical masterstroke. And then suddenly, back to heat, back to inflation headlines, back to unemployment numbers, back to paper leaks, back to an opposition that doesn't count churches, but counts your empty promises. Even melody melts here. So, another foreign tour plan is probably already loading. But not for all. For you, stay home, stay safe, save few.
जो विदेशों में शादियों का, विदेशों में घूमने का, विदेशों में वैकेशन पर जाने का, मिडिल क्लास में कल्चर बढ़ता जा रहा है. तो कम से कम 1 साल के लिए हमें विदेशों में जाने की बातों को टालना चाहिए.
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है?
Shouldn't a leader lead by example? Save fuel, they tell the common man. Avoid foreign travel, they advise the middle class. Stop buying gold, they lecture the households. You must walk through the heat to save petrol. He will fly across oceans to distribute melody.
मजाक है क्या?
I always say this. Nationalism is a drug manufactured and distributed by the rich and powerful and consumed entirely by the poor. It is the most successful narcotic ever invented. Zero side effects for the dealer, total destruction for the addict. Blind devotion, and bhakti.
कहाँ से आते हैं?
We treat public servants like kings and then wonder why we are treated like subjects. Until we don't stop blindly worshipping leaders, our country will never ever change. There is this brutally honest song in Dibakar Banerjee's Shanghai. सोने की चिड़िया, डेंगू मलेरिया, गुड़ भी है गोबर भी, भारत माता की जय. This is the exact summary of our nation right now. सोने की चिड़िया for the people in power. Dengue malaria for the poor. Good for the elite. Gobar for the rest.
मेरे लिए तो बड़ा सिंपल है ये. ऐसे लिया और ये गोबर जिनको रिफाइन करके लेना हो लो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ऐसे लेके कितनी अच्छी चीज है.
Look at them. They aren't just eating it, they are defending it. That's the magic trick. They have been successfully trained to find nutrition in the waste and treason in the truth. An entire population emotionally outsourcing its self-respect to one man. I ended my previous video with these hard-hitting lines. I'm repeating it here once again. Until we stop treating incompetent leaders like untouchable demigods, until we stop acting like jokers and start acting like citizens, we will continue to live exactly how we deserved. In the dirt.
The plight of LPG shortage has now pushed citizens out of their homes. In UP's Gorakhpur, people have been compelled to spend their nights out on the streets, sleeping in queues to procure a gas cylinder. People in queues say they have been doing this for multiple days and have still returned home empty-handed.
One India is busy discussing geopolitics over caramel chocolates. The other India is lying shirtless on burning concrete, hoping the gas agency doesn't say stock khatam. But let us give credit where credit is due. Finally, our mainstream media has woken up. They saw the desperate crowds, they saw the empty cylinders, they saw the out of stock conditions, and they took the immediate action.
एक पैकेट मेलोडी की कीमत तुम क्या जानो राहुल बाबू.
मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है? मेलोडी ऑनलाइन मिलनी इस समय मुश्किल हो गई है. जो मेलोडी टॉफी इतनी चॉकलेटी थी, विपक्ष के लिए वो मेलोडी इतनी तीखी कैसे आउट ऑफ स्टॉक चल रही है. इसी पर दिखाने वाले हैं जनहित में खास पेशकश. मेरे साथ रात 9 बजे एबीपी न्यूज पर आप जरूर जुड़िएगा.
सर, ये तो टट्टी है.
There is a reason why they are called Godi media, isn't it? You may have watched that Norwegian journalist Helling's videos chasing Modi. Watch it again here for me.
Prime Minister Modi, why don't you take some questions from the freest press in the world? Mr. Modi, do you deserve the trust of our... Du vet, når pressefrihet nummer 1 i verden, det står vi ved.
The moment this video dropped, our lapdog media lost its absolute mind. They didn't question why the Prime Minister of 1.4 billion people refused to face a single unscripted press conference in a decade. They didn't demand an answer from the Prime Minister. No. Instead, they started attacking the reporter.
प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स की इस पत्रकार ने बात की, उसकी फंडिंग भी जॉर्ज सोरोस के इसी एनजीओ से आती है.
लंग जैसे लोग फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस के नाम पर पत्रकारों को मिलने वाली आजादी और पहुंच का दुरुपयोग करते हैं और फिर कुछ खास लोगों के एजेंडे को पूरा करते हैं.
देखकर लगा जैसे ये मोहतरमा किसी हिट एंड रन वाले मिशन पर थी और एंटी इंडिया थी.
सारे मिलके हमको पागल बना रहे हैं के बच्चे. इतने फटीके ये.
तौबा तौबा तौबा.
You know what? Norway sits at number 1 on the World Press Freedom Index. India is currently sitting at 157th place. कहाँ राजा भोज, कहां गंगू तेली, कहां हेले लिंग, कहां गोदी साली. I'm sorry. I'm really genuinely sorry. I shouldn't have used that word sali.
माफ करना, मैं मुझसे मैं इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ.
It's inappropriate. It lacks class. I know. After all, we are citizens of cultured democracy, a land of dignity, decorum, parliamentary values.
तो मैंने सोचा साला मुझे तो बोलने में भी साला संकोच हो रहा है. मुझे तो बोलने में भी साला
परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन.
जैसा राजा वैसी प्रजा, अंधेरी नगरी चौपट राजा. And still people ask me, why are you so negative about this government? Negative? Darling, there is nothing more patriotic than refusing to romanticize decay. Real patriotism is uncomfortable. It asks questions. It demands competence. It embarrasses power. It refuses blind worship. Salah, you should also start practicing it. Hey! Salah again. Sorry. एडिट करते समय इस पार्ट को रिमूव कर दो, ठीक है?
मान्यवर, मेरे शब्द कोई ऐसे हो तो काट दीजिए. काट दिया.
That is exactly how easy it is for the rulers, isn't it? When the opposition catches you, you don't apologize to the country. You just wave your hand and say, expunge it from the records. Delete it. Remove it. Pretend it never happened. You can erase an unparliamentary word from the Lok Sabha transcript, yes. But tell me, how do you expunge the leaked exam papers? How do you expunge a youth that is rotting at home with degrees they can't use? How do you expunge the empty gas cylinders on the burning streets of Gorakhpur? You can't.
बेटा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. हमें तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
महंगाई को लगातार बढ़ाने वालों, जनता माफ नहीं करेगी.
हमारी बेटियों को सुरक्षा न दे पाने वालों, जनता माफ नहीं करेगी.
युवाओं को बेरोजगार रखने वालों, जनता माफ नहीं करेगी.
चलो हालात बदले, देश की सरकार बदले, भाजपा को वोट दे. अब की बार मोदी सरकार.
आपके सपनों को पूरा करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ा.
अंगेन घात्रम नयने वक्त्रम न्यायेन राज्यम लवणेन भोज्यम.
Why is melody so chocolatey? Why is melody so chocolatey?